Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3 which based on limits of exponential function and logarithmic function of chapter limits. The problem number 3 is the limit x tends to 0 e raised x plus e raised minus x minus 2 upon x into tan x. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote the given limit as a L. So L is equal to limit x tends to 0 e raised x plus e raised minus x minus 2 upon x into tan x, that equal to limit x tends to 0. Now e raised x we write as it is plus. Now e raised minus x can be written as by using indices law e raised x. Then we write minus 2 as it is. And then whole thing divided by x into tan x. So here we use that indices rule. A raised minus m can be written as 1 upon a raised n. The next step will be limit x tends to 0. Now here e raised x can be written as e raised x upon 1 and minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1 in the numerator. Now in the numerator we have e raised x as a LCM. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0 e raised x the whole square, then plus 1 minus 2 into e raised x, and then totally divided by e raised x into tan x. Now the terms which are present in the numerator can be rearranged as limit x tends to 0 e raised x the whole square minus 2 into e raised x into 1 and plus the 1 can be written as 1 the bracket square, then totally divided by e raised x into tan x in the denominator. So is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now numerator is of the type a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is a minus b the whole square. So present case a represent e raised x and b represent 1. So it is a complete square of e raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon e raised x into tan x. Now here to get rule we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to 0 e raised x minus 1 upon x whole bracket square in the numerator upon limit x tends to 0 e raised x into tan x whole thing divided by x square in the denominator. So that equal to, now numerator gives us limit x tends to 0 e raised x minus 1 upon x, that is a log e, means 1 the bracket square upon, in the denominator we write limit x tends to 0 e raised x. At the same time we cancel x from numerator denominator, and finally we left with in the denominator that limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x in the second bracket. So 1 the whole square gives 1 upon, now in first bracket we substitute limit as x equal to 0, so we have e raised 0, and second bracket is a rule that limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x gives 1, and that equal to 1 upon, now e raised 0 gives 1 into 1, so finally we get 1. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.